Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever wonder if a mascara can truly deliver volume without the weight, last all day, and stay intact no matter what your day throws at you? Well, today we're putting that to the test with the Rimmel London Wonder Volume Thrill Seeker Waterproof Mascara. This is a mascara that promises bold, thick lashes without the hassle of smudging, clumping, or flaking. Plus, it's waterproof, perfect for those long days or unexpected rain showers. And before we dive in, if you're a fan of honest, no-nonsense beauty reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the product itself. The Rimmel Wonder Volume Thrill Seeker Mascara comes in a sleek, modern packaging that's compact enough to toss in your bag for a touch-up if needed. The mascara is designed to give you that dramatic, volumized look with a formula that is enriched with panthenol to nourish the lashes while you wear it. The brush is hourglass-shaped, which is key for reaching every lash, from root to tip, ensuring an even, bold application. It's available in the classic 003 black shade, which is as dark and intense as it gets. When it comes to application, this mascara glides on effortlessly. The creamy, whipped formula coats each lash without feeling heavy or stiff, giving that full, voluminous look we all want. The brush grips the lashes well, which makes it easy to build up volume without the dreaded clumping. The formula itself is definitely smudge-proof, which is fantastic if you're the type who tends to touch their face, or if you need a mascara that can stand up to humidity. And of course, being waterproof, it holds up beautifully throughout the day, whether you're sweating it out at the gym or caught in a downpour. Now, after using it in a real-world setting, I've noticed how easily this mascara fits into a busy routine. I typically apply it in the morning, and by the time I get home in the evening, my lashes still look thick and defined. There's no flaking, no smudging, just bold lashes that still feel soft. One of my favorite parts? The mascara didn't weigh down my lashes, which is huge for me since some volumizing formulas can leave lashes feeling stiff and crunchy. This one didn't, and I could comfortably wear it all day without feeling like my lashes were getting droopy. Of course, no product is perfect, and the Rimmel Wonder Volume Thrill Seeker Mascara is no exception. One small downside I noticed is that the formula takes a bit longer to dry compared to some others I've tried. So you have to be careful not to blink too soon, or you might end up with little transfer. It's also important to note that while this mascara is fantastic for volume, if you're after lengthening or dramatic curl, this might not be the best option. In terms of value for money, this mascara definitely offers a lot for the price. At 0.28 aughts per tube, it delivers high-performance wear and quality without breaking the bank. Given that it's both waterproof and designed for long-lasting wear, it holds up well against more expensive alternatives. For someone who needs a reliable, volumizing mascara that works all day, this is definitely worth the investment. If you're looking for a similar product that's a little easier on the wallet, there are some other waterproof mascaras out there that offer similar results, though not necessarily the same volumizing effect. If budget is a concern, consider checking out Maybelline's Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara, which also gives bold lashes and lasts for hours. The build quality of this mascara is solid. The tube itself is sturdy and designed well, making it easy to handle. While it's not the most luxurious packaging out there, it's functional and travel-friendly. The brush itself is a game changer, and I found it to be much more effective than standard mascara wands in achieving that full volume look without clumping. Overall, I'd say the Rimmel London Wonder Volume Thrill Seeker Waterproof Mascara is a great option for anyone in search of a reliable, long-wearing mascara that provides instant volume without the mess. It lives up to its promises of being waterproof, smudge-proof, and flake-proof, making it perfect for everyday wear, whether you're running errands or going to a night out. For those who value volume and durability over other mascara traits, this is definitely a top contender in the market. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.